Que lo que, mi gente? It's your boy Dio. It's a little bit of an ugly start to NEMM 2018. We got a little bit of a misty cloud rolling through. Now the bike is wet. Got to dry it all up. But, I mean, it is what it is. Rain or shine, buddy. Rain or shine. Gonna go grab some gas. And I'm gonna meet up with the crew. And by crew, I mean the New York Dyna Crew. And we're gonna roll in style to NEMM. Regardless of the rain, I've been checking the weather non-stop since yesterday. And it's not supposed to rain until about 2, actually until about 2 p.m. up there where we're heading. But it's gonna be a little later down here. Let's get this baby started. Ooh. But yeah, this was enough to kind of make the floor a little slippery. It's supposed to be up in the 80s, actually, upper 80s, but hopefully the sun can burn through all this and it doesn't look like this the whole ride, because that'll suck. But last year was nice and sunny. It was a great day. Today should be no different with the exception of the weather. But I know some people, once they see the clouds and the rain in the forecast, they're like, nah, especially if they're coming from far. Hopefully not a lot of people cancel, but you know, it's actually it's almost inevitable at this point. But it is what it is, guys. You know, it's a gloomy start to the day, but the day is definitely going to be a lot better. Like I said, I'm meeting up with the guys, so let's kind of skip the theatricals and let's get right to it. Oh man, you made it! What's up, guys? How you doing? ¿Todo bien? Tranquilo. What's up, my man? How you doing?
Oh shit, here they come, here they come. Oh snap. Look who it is.
Illustrator on Harley.
Dude, you look badass, bro. Not,
I'll do a poll on Instagram.
next time you curse somebody out in Brooklyn, they won't mess with you with this shit. See that, ladies and gentlemen? Dynas are unresistible. Look at that. We got a crowd over here just wanting to sit on every one of these bikes. Except that last one over there, I'm just saying. Alright, so lineup is set. We're gonna take a nice picture real quick. Security won't do nothing. They don't got nothing on us. Right? They don't got shit on us, bro.
Alright, NYDC, rolling out, heading to NEMM 2018.
Woo!
Let's get it. Let's get it.
Just want to get a view of the last crew.
Let's get it.
Damn, buddy.
Let's get it.
Dyna. Ah! Alright, guys, we out of here.
Dude, I would rip a burnout for this kid, but I don't want to mess around.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be good today.
Alright, we out.
Roll. BxPolymath in the building. Dude, another year being this thing.
I know, man.
I hope we're still doing this in 30 years.
Yeah, let's see, man. You never know. Alright, we're clear.
Alright. And we are out. NYDC is in the building.
Pam, pam, pam.
Shield is going up for this part.
Oh man.
NYDC coming through. If you thought it was loud last year, it's about to get a lot louder. It looks look back at the illustrator, he's like...
Yeah, he's fucking standing up. I seen that.
Yeah.
That's how I recognized him when he was pulling up, when you guys were pulling up. Yo, he's probably back there like, shit, I need to get me a Dyna.
Yeah, dude.
Here we go, another long tunnel.
Alright, I'll slow down a little bit.
Wake up all these guys right now.
Oh, I love it, man.
Woo!
Embrace the chaos. Dude, we gotta get it out now, because it's not gonna be like a long tunnel like
there's not gonna be no tunnels.
So you do that on the Palisades, the wind's just gonna take away.
Yeah, there's nothing.
Right here is exit only. I should get out of this, right?
Nah, we're good.
Okay.
We're good. I mean, that's Illustrator's bike all the way back there.
Oh, the boys are having fun, man.
Yep.
So don't get off here, right?
Yeah, get off. Come on, follow me.
Word.
There we go.
Got you. Dude, I'm real glad you're here, man.
Why?
I would have messed this up pretty bad at that point.
Yeah.
Dude, we'd be going across the bridge right now.
You'll be doing the run without the people.
Yeah, dude.
There we go, 125.
Here we go, 125th.
Yep.
Dude, look at this crew, man. Hell yeah.
Woo!
Hell yeah. Dude, I love that we're rolling in with this crew.
Hell yeah, man. They're gonna be jealous. Yeah.
Dude, his bike is so loud. That's so funny, man.
He could actually keep up with us with the loudness.
Yeah, dude. It's a V twin.
Yep.
Pulling there. Let's do it. Yeah, sorry for doing this up on a hill, man.
So good. You notice how the real bikes are here now?
Oh, the real bikes are in the building.
Oh yeah.
¿Qué lo que con qué lo que? ¿Qué lo que con qué lo que? Me metí en todos los